In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Gold Robot Expert Advisor in MetaTrader 5. We'll begin by setting up the gold chart so your expert advisor has the right market to work with. Open the Market Watch panel by pressing Ctrl+M. In the list, look for XAUUSD, which is the symbol for gold. When you find it, right-click and choose Chart Window to open a fresh gold chart. If XAUUSD isn't visible, right-click anywhere inside MarketWatch, select Symbols, then enable XAUUSD. Once it's enabled, right-click it and choose Chart Window. Next, pick the time frame that matches the type of robot you're using. For fast scalping gold robots, choose M5 or M15 to capture quick moves and frequent signals. For safer swing-style robots, H1 tends to smooth out noise while still being responsive. For long-term trend robots, use H4 to focus on broader moves with fewer trades. If your EA's documentation recommends a time frame, stick with that for best results. Now let's install the Gold EA on the chart. Open the Navigator panel with Ctrl+N. Under Expert Advisors, locate your gold robot. Names vary, but look for something like XAUEA or Gold Bot. Drag the EA onto the open XAUUSD chart. This will bring up a settings window with multiple tabs. Start in the Common tab. Enable Allow Algo Trading, so MetaTrader can run automated logic, and enable Allow Live Trading so the EA can place and manage orders. Only enable. Allow DLL imports if the EA's author specifically requires it. These permissions make sure the robot can operate as designed. Move to the Inputs tab, which is the most important part. Adjust the lot size and start small, such as 0.01 or lower, to control risk while you get familiar with behavior. Set your stop loss and take profit so each trade has a clear risk and reward boundary. Define the risk percent per trade to cap exposure relative to your account balance. If your robot supports trading session hours, align them with when you want it active. If there are gold volatility settings, configure them according to the EA's guidance so it adapts to fast or slow market conditions. Never use maximum settings on the first run. Begin conservatively and only scale up after you're comfortable. When all inputs look right, confirm your changes. Finally, enable automated trading at the platform level. On the top toolbar, click Algo Trading and make sure it turns green. That indicates MetaTrader is ready to execute your gold EA on the XAUUSD chart using the settings you just configured.